Sir, can we start? Sir, Professor?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, one second.
Okay.
Am I audible now? கேக்குதுங்களா மேம்?
Sir?
இப்ப
Okay. Okay, sir. Now it's
இப்ப
okay.
கேக்குதுங்களா?
கேக்குது sir. Phone கேக்குது.
Okay.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Okay.
Speakerல கேட்கலாமா? Sir?
Ma'am.
Prabhu sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, sir. Your voice is not audible in the speaker. Just a minute, sir. Shall we start with the introduction, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Please.
Okay. Good afternoon to all the distinguished guests, respected faculty members, researchers, and fellow participants. On behalf of the organizing committee of the International Conference on Emerging and Transformative Technologies in Computer Science, ICET2-CS, I warmly welcome you all to this keynote session. I am honored to welcome my fellow student, Afifa Hani, to deliver the keynote address. Introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. PRABHU K, Associate Professor in Department of Technology, Karnataka. Dr. PRABHU sir completed his PhD in Electronics and Communication Engineering from NIT Tiruchi and Master's degree from MIT Chennai. He also holds a bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Anna University. With more than 15 years of teaching and research experience, Dr. PRABHU sir has made significant contribution in field of optical communication, visible light communication, IoT, and next generation communication system. He published more than 95 research papers in reputed international journal and conference organized by IEEE, Elsewhere, and Springers. And he has also authored books and has patents on advanced communication technology. One of the most remarkable achievements is being ranked among top 2% of scientists worldwide in the prestigious list prepared by Stanford University. Dr. Prabhusar has also presented his research work at several international conferences and visited renowned institutions for research collaboration and technical discussion. In addition, he actively contributes to academic community as a reviewer for several prestigious international journals, other leading publishers, and has delivered numerous invited talks and workshops at reputed institutions. Dr. Prabhusar dedication to research, innovation, and academic excellence continues to inspire students and researchers. It's truly a privilege to have such a distinguished academician with us today. Let's extend a warm welcome to our respected chief guest, Dr. Prabhu sir.
Thank you, Afifa, for your warm and thoughtful welcome address. Now it's time for the most important part of the session. I am honored to invite our keynote speaker, Dr. Prabhu sir, to deliver the keynote address. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for kind opportunity and a kind introduction. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So, yes. My screen is visible? Yes, my screen is visible to you, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, so very good afternoon to all. So, I hope you enjoyed and you have wonderful technical discussion and maybe like keynote address in the morning session of this wonderful conference. So with that continuation in this session, so we are going to discuss about the topic of zero touch future. When even saying hey Alexa feels like too much effort. I hope most of the audience are youngster students, so you like this title. So I would like to congratulate first of all like the entire organizing team of ICET2-CS 2026 because it's not easy organize an international conference. And again, I would like to congratulate all the participants of this excellent conference and the paper presenters and the entire team once again, because the conference itself like international conference on emerging and transformative technologies, so it covers almost as wide areas actually, so it's a really wonderful theme actually, and much needed areas actually it covers, especially you know that the great technologies like emerging technologies like IoT, AI, 6G, these and all like going to make tremendous changes in our lifestyle, and as well as in the surrounding environment and in the futures. So how we divided like previously before crust, after crust, BC, AD, like that. So even we can differentiate in future like before these technologies and after these emerging technologies. So such a wonderful theme you have chosen and organizing such a wonderful international conference. So once again, I would like to congratulate the all the participants and organizers and each every one of part of this wonderful conference. So if you take this title, the outline of our discussion, another half an hour maybe, like introduction about this topic like zero touch future and evolution of AI and automation towards this zero touch feature, and what are the enabling technologies involved, So again, it's much relevant to your theme of the conference, emerging technologies. So what are the enabling technologies involving towards the zero touch future, and some use cases and the challenges, ethical consideration towards that, and future prospects. And even our NITK, we are doing lot of works towards this automation, AI based stuffs actually. So that also we are going to discuss. Finally, the conclusion. So before enter into that our discussion, so I would like to play a video about the zero touch future. So maybe you most of you maybe came across this video in any social media, etc., or advertisement. But I like anyway, I'm very happy to play this video. Just have a look on this video, then we can understand how this zero touch future will be.
Looking to upskill for the future?
Is it visible? The video is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
You can hear the audio also?
Yes, sir.
New AI can
It's
perform
clear.
all coding
Audio is coming? Yes?
It's coming, sir.
Okay, great.
jobs in seconds, including blockchain development. While this AI is already outperforming accounting firms. Meanwhile, the new graphic design AI aims to automate graphic design and could minimize the need.
Relax. Because in a future where AI does most of the work, there'll be one thing that humans will finally get to do all day long. Nothing. So it's time to learn the most essential skill of the future. 5-Star presents Nothing University with the first ever diploma program in doing nothing. An intensive course covering the most future-ready skills out there.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. It's really fun kind of video, but it's going to be real almost actually. So everything will be automated in near future. We don't know what human going to do. Even you know that recently you heard from the news, every industry they are firing jobs, like 5,000 jobs, 10,000 jobs due to this AI kind of stuffs actually. So in future, everything going to be automated. Morning, if you wake up, so what time you are wake up, the alarm, and again once if you are going for jogging, your shoes will be smart. It will be automated. It have sensor. It measure like how many kilometers you jog, how much distance you covered, average of the month, and once after you are jogging, the moment you enter into your home, how much calories you spend, what is your energy level, based on that what you have to take actually, break, what is your breakfast, like that everything will be automated. Even your refrigerator measure your energy level. It serve the like some fruit juice, depends on that your robo will be bringing to you. So like that everything will be automated. For example, for this session in your hall, the hall where you are sitting, before starting of the session, the coordinators may switch on the light, switch on the AC, they adjust the temperature, switch on the projector. Like that, how many works are there? Imagine everything will be automated in future actually. Okay, so zero touch, we need not to put any effort. Okay, such kind of thing technology is going to be happen even after seeing this video. I think all of you from Tamil, you know Tamil, and நம்ம தமிழ்ல ஒரு கதைலாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. படிச்சு என்ன பண்ண போற, வேலைக்கு போறேன், வேலைக்கு போய் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், கால் மேல கால் போட்டு உட்காந்து சாப்பிட போறேன். ஸோ இப்போ நான் அதை தானே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்ற மாதிரி ஒரு காமெடி சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ that kind of situation going to happen actually. So everything human going to just give that AI approval. Once AI done the job, so human job is just whether it is fine. So you have to give the approval. Only we are going to do it. Even that also going to be automated in future actually. Okay, so the zero touch future, taking our life like zero touch, nothing effort is required. So this is happening, this is going to happen towards seamless automation. Every domain, each and everything will be automated. That is true, right? You imagine like previously if you go to any shop, you have to open the door, Otherwise, some watchman used to be there. They used to open and close the door. Nowadays, most of the new shops and hotels, restaurants, automated door. The human going there, immediately the sensor will sense, automatically it will open, automatically it will close. Lights, the moment you enter into that corridor or particular room, the light will automatically switch on. Taps, actually automated water taps, you need not to push or pull or you switch on the tap. If you show your hand, water will power. So like that, everything going to be automated, imagine. So seamless automation going to happen. Proactive assistance, this is another wonderful technology. Intuitive understanding, that's why you can take this example actually. So if you see this technology going to even better than our mom, better than our best friends actually. For example, you see our mom, mother, they know actually whether we are feeling hungry, what time, what we want, without saying that they used to do it for us. So the same thing going to do it by technology in near future, even better than the mother actually. Okay, so like that, lot of example we can give it actually. So especially why this automation required, in what way this zero touch future is, why does it is matter means there are many reasons. There are a lot of drawbacks also there, that is other side. But the requirement is because tapping, swiping, even speaking feels like way too much work actually. So saving energy as a battery or human effort is one of the important thing. And now the another way, the technology is growing towards green and sustainable technologies actually. So energy is one of the important constraints actually. So few slides I wanted to spend it on that energy, because energy is very important. Now you know that this war is happening, Iran, Israel, like US kind of stuffs. So that oil, crude oil, that we are struggling for the cylinder right now itself, gas, natural gas, and there is going to be price increment in petrol, etc. So the energy, because those are the source of energy. So the energy is very important thing actually. That's why the global energy consumption is projected to double by 2050. This is due to that rapid digitization, IoT, AI, 6G networks. Because 6G is one of the important area already, that entire world is full-fledged, they implemented 5G. Now already people started work towards the 6G. If you take that 6G and all, the major the energy consumption in that base station side. See, if you want to implement, for example, for implementing 5G in India, around 3.75 lakh new base stations. That means new small towers deployed across India. Then imagine if you want to implement 6G, how many new base stations to be towers to be installed, and they power consumption will be in terms of huge kilowatts power actually. Okay, and similarly the traditional technologies, high carbon emissions, increasing the risk of climate change, these all are the problem. So that's why the solution is energy efficient green technologies and AI driven energy management, these things. In this slide you can see that the global energy consumption, how it is varies. The prediction you can see up to 2040. Actually, this global energy consumption used to measure in the units of MTOE. MTOE means million ton oil equivalent. You see, it's going to increase almost more than 25 percentage, more than that in 2040. That is the prediction. So especially you see here, that's why nowadays people are moving apart from this oil, coal, the regular energy resources. Now we are moving to that gas, nuclear, especially renewable energy. You know, right? Like wind energy, solar energy, even that coastal from that tidal energy. So like that, in many way, renewable energy we are focusing nowadays actually. Okay, energy consumption you can see here. Even human activities itself, it's interesting part actually. See, if you are seeing, your eyes are watching means it consumes energy 1.5 watt. Raising a hand 5 watts energy. Breathing also consumption of energy around 6 watts power consumption. Similarly, heart pumping blood, running, walking, everything requires the energy consumption or power consumption. Even if you are in idle, if you are sleeping also, your body consumes the energy. Similarly, you take your mobile phone, because nowadays everyone we are carrying the mobile phone. You see here, if you keep your mobile phone idle, that means it's the screen is off mode, standby mode, nothing, it's not used. Under the time also it use energy usages 0.2 to 0.5 watts per hour. Then if you calling, video streaming, data transfer, you can see that energy consumption. That's why the energy demands are more. As I mentioned, if you go to this base station and all, 5G and all, so it's going to consume, see, 20,000 crore kilowatts of energy. Number of base station by 2025, already it's reached 131 lakhs base station. It consumes how much energy? Around 20,000 crore kilowatts actually, imagine. Okay, so like that, that's why like lighting, see nowadays you see artificial lights increase like anything, every building carries of lights. So that's why nowadays we are going back to that day lighting, so saving the energy. People introduce the day lighting concept. This is not new concept, very old concept. So in our India and all, if you see the houses, and they used to keep entrance in east side. And if you see that still traditional houses, they used to face, houses used to face in east side, and there will be another entrance in west side also, because morning time the sunlight enter through that east entrance, afternoon time the sunlight enters in through that west entrance. So throughout a day the sunlight used to be inside house. Okay, so like that concepts and all previously we used actually. So the same thing now people are copying. They are, you can see like
Have a look at this office building placed hoods
it is
outside
nothing but
around.
many buildings. For example, if you take Bangalore, we have one of the biggest international airport. If you see that the terminal to new terminal to fully sunlight based actually. So most of the ceilings are glasses. Inside you can find the sunlight actually. Okay, so like that, even nowadays, if you take many buildings, many industries, the ceiling will be what? Solar panel. Fully, we can find the solar panel. Even many houses, you can find the solar panels nowadays. Okay, so like that, the energy is very important. So through these automated systems, you can save the energy. So now, what is the evolution of this AI and automation means? So past people used actually command based systems. That means like we have to press a button, we have to type a command, then we get that response. It required much effort actually, writing text message, etc. And present you see that voice activated assistants, for example Siri, Alexa. So we are telling right in our house and all. I don't know whether you have that experience. Hey Alexa, play a song for me, means it will play whatever you want. You can ask in your house, you can make a connectivity through Alexa. You can control your light, fan, AC, and your mobile device, everything through Alexa. So future is, you see, context aware and predictive AI based automation. That means AI that gets us better than our best friend. No more asking. Technology just knows what we need actually. In the right hand side you see the figure actually. The old technology was command based systems. It is reactive, not predictive, and it required high effort. Then now people move to voice assistant based, so low effort was required, but again it's reactive based. Reactive means if you ask something it will do it for you. But now the new technology is, future is AI based, that is predictive based actually. Very simple example, in Amazon, if you order something, so next time it will give the recommendations to you. It will give the suggestions to you. So what you need. Previously you purchased now, based on your order, it will give the recommendation. So same way the future technology AI based is fully automation. It knows what time it should wake up you, what breakfast it should provide for you or order for you, what time, what movies ticket book for you. So everything will be automated kind of thing. That means you need not to do anything. You need not even after this zero touch technology, we don't know. we can lose our what thinking ability and our we don't know what is our role actually. Everything will be taken care by AI actually. In that way, the technology is growing. So evolution of this interaction technology, that's why early computing, voice recognition. So this and all previous based, now context aware AI and next frontier. So what are the enabling technologies make or complete these zero touch technologies? Zero touch future means there are many technologies. That's why as I mentioned, it's appropriate to that your theme of your conference, emerging technologies. You see here, towards the zero touch future, there are so many enabling technologies such as AI and ML, 6G and edge computing, IoT and sensor networks, brain computer interfaces. I listed few actually. There are many, but these all are the important enabling technologies. Wearables and biometrics. Especially if you take AI and ML, it's self-learning system that actually understand us. So this AI ML, anyway, we have one example. I'll show it to you, then really you will enjoy that example in upcoming slides. So it's a self-learning system. It will study us, each one of us studied by this AI and ML systems. And the next technology, 6G and edge computing, it make everything to be happen in real time. That means without delay, without buffering, in real times. That means this AI ML understand us, what we need, what is our requirement. Then things will be happen, make it in real time by through this 6G and edge computing technologies. And this both are happen through this global nervous system, that is IoT and sensor networks. Previously this fiber optic networks used to call it as global nerve system. What is mean by global nerve system means, see, if you take human body, how you can see the things, how you can hear the things, how you can smell the things. Actually our entire body is as a human. For example, your name may be Kumar, your name may be Senthil, whatever it may be. How you are identifying, how you are communicating with the surrounding environment means through the receptors. You have eyes, you have nose, you have ears, you have your entire body. Skin is act as a sensor. Through these receptors, you receive the information. That information carried by your nerves and reaches your brain. Through that only you are reacting. Am I right? So, our human brain is connected with the entire body through the nerve system. So, same way the entire earth is connected via this IoT and sensor networks in future. Now itself it's there already. So these act as a global nerve system actually. And again, this brain computer interface, controlling devices with just your thoughts. Imagine, see, my brain is just, I have a thought, switch on my TV. I wanted to watch TV. Immediately, TV will be on. I want to go out, just open door. Just I'm thinking, கதவை திறந்து வெளில போலாமான்னா immediately the door used to be open. So controlling devices, things, your surrounding environment just by your thoughts through these BCIS, brain computer interfaces, wearable biometrics, devices that knows us better than we do. Actually, like how we are having nowadays, younger generation, many even elder generation also like to make tattoo in their body actually. So even some extent people are going, they are injecting some sensors in their body actually. Even like some ICs, or what we can say, these RFID things kind of thing. So no need keep keys, monies and all. If you want to open your door, just show your hand, it will open, because you are injected RFID device in your human body. So like that, people are making as wearables, not only wearables, injecting in their body itself, and biometrics, opening their car, switch on the bike, do the payment, how we are doing through mobile. So if you have RFID, that payment thing in your body itself, you just show your hand, the payment will be done. So such a thing is happening actually. Okay. So use cases for this zero touch technology. Actually, this slide only I mentioned previously, how these receptors Through that, we receive the information, reaches our brain. So same way, the global nervous system act as a like IoT, and sensor networks going to be act as a global nervous system. So use cases of zero touch technologies, smart homes and personal assistants. This is one of the use case. So in smart home means in our home everything will be automated. You need not to switch on the light, you need not to switch on the AC. The AC will check it out outside temperature, your body temperature, automatically it will set the temperature for you. So your personal assistants similarly. Okay. And autonomous vehicles, you see, this is another better example for the zero touch future. I think already you are aware about it, Google car, Tesla car and all. Just I have a video for you.
Google kickstarted their quest for self-driving vehicles in 2009. The vision was to create super intelligent cars without steering wheels and brakes that will be able to navigate autonomously through busy streets and highways. Truly, the vision is stuff of science fiction, but in the world of big data and artificial intelligence which we live in, the dream of autonomous vehicles is inching ever closer to reality. In 2016, Google announced a new subsidiary of their Alphabet parent company, Waymo, as the home of their self-driving project. Since then, Waymo has introduced its first fully autonomous vehicle. The vehicles are driven by the Waymo Driver, an artificially intelligent system on public roads. It is a truly weird sight to see moving cars with no drivers in the driver's seat. Rather than build cars from scratch, Waymo has struck deals with conventional car manufacturer minivans to built from scratch by Google is worth out of luggage. Like we said, the first iteration of the Google car button. Right on the and destination are entered, much like ordering an Uber. When the trip is ended, the small screen displays a message reminding you to leave the car with your belongings.
Arriving shortly at your destination. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until we reach your destination and remember to take all your belongings with you.
Not many people have had the privilege to go on a ride on the Google car, but the few people who have and have spoken about it seem to be happy with the Function app motor and is a rotating camera at the roof of the car. It's an unmistakable.
Imagine, see, if you are driving a car, you forget about car. If you are driving a bike, how you are driving? So how much you have speed you have to go in front, whether vehicle is coming, truck is coming or human is coming, how much you have to turn left, how much you have to turn right, how your brain deciding all those things. The same functionality, the complete surrounding. See, if you are driving a bike means your eyes involving, your eyes act as a camera. Your brain is involving, taking a decision. So your brain is act as a like what? This AI, ML kind of stuff. So like that, the through technologies actually, this you see here in Google car, we have LiDAR, radar, cameras, etc. Especially this LiDAR, it transmitting 64 laser beams.
The LiDAR creates three.
You see here, the complete surrounding environment is captured through this LiDAR system. You see, here is whether some vehicles are there, some overbridges are there, or some car is going on, or some bus. What speed is going on? Everything, the complete surrounding environment is captured and analyzed, and decision
Images
was
of
to be
objects
taken.
all around the car, allowing the car to anticipate objects and hazards in its path. LiDAR also measures the distance of the objects from the position of the car. It's capable of sensing objects up to 200 meters from the location of the car. Another camera is located on the windshield of the car, and it helps the car to sense objects right in front of it. These include pedestrians and other vehicles. The camera is also responsible for capturing information along the road, like road signs and traffic lights. The pictures captured by this camera are then interpreted by the car's AI system. There are 4 radars mounted on the front and rear bumpers.
Anyway, later you can go through that. So this autonomous vehicle is one of the greatest example for this zero touch technology. So no need driver actually. You know that the accidents are more happening in India, and even if you take the entire world earth, 75% of the accidents due to that human error actually. It's not other mistakes actually, or engine failure and other stuffs. So human mistakes only reason for 75% of that accidents. So these autonomous vehicles and a lot of developments are happening now. So that is also one of the zero touch future actually. Not only here, similarly healthcare and assistive technology. I think you heard about AI doctor. There is a room, if you enter into that, it will check your all the things. It will identify your disease and it will suggest the medicines. There is no doctor in future actually. I think you heard Google doctor, it's very dangerous, but still people are working on this AI doctor and technology moving towards healthcare 5.0 and all. So healthcare 5.0 and all, if you see here, already 3.0 itself automation, 4.0 is digitization, industrial 5.0 is personalization. So in future, if you want to check your body, you have one kit, AI doctor kit, that's all. No need to go to doctor kind of thing. Healthcare 5.0, there are many things happening actually, you may aware about it. Okay. So similarly, industrial automation, industry 5.0. Okay. So now coming to the challenges and the ethical consideration, human AI dependency, privacy and security. This is one of the challenges we have through this zero touch technology and all. Employment and economic impact. That is again due to AI, we are going to lose, even though new job opportunities going to generate, but most of the job opportunities will go from away from us. And AI bias decision transparency. These are some of one of the challenge, especially the privacy and security. Just I'll read one conversation, then you can understand this. I don't know how many of you hear this joke, Google's pizza. It's really interesting. Quickly with this, we can finish actually. One person called to one pizza center. See, he is asking, hello, Gordon Pizza. The reply, automatic reply. I don't know how many of you are. Nowadays, if you are booking hotel, booking cylinder, everything automated call. There is no everything AI based actually. So such a call in this one conversation you see here, opposite side, no sir, it is Google Pizza. So it's a wrong number, sorry, that person is telling. No sir, Google bought it. Okay, take my order please. See, automatic reply, well sir, you want the usual? Then the person asking, the usual, you know me? See the reply, automatic reply. According to our caller ID data sheet, in the last 12 times you ordered pizza with cheese, sausage, thick crust. See, the person is immediately telling, okay, this is it. And see the automatic reply, may I suggest to you this time ricotta, angola, some other pizza. Then this person replying, what? I hate vegetables. See the reply, your cholesterol is not good, sir. I hope you are enjoying this joke actually. I don't know, this is online, right? I don't know how much you are enjoying. I can't interact. Okay, anyway. So how do you know? See the automatic reply. We cross the number of your fixed in line with your name, subscriber guide. We have the result of your blood test for the last 7 years. See that person replying, okay, but I don't want this pizza. I already take medicine for my cholesterol. Then see the reply, excuse me, but you have not taken the medicine regularly. From our commercial database, 4 months ago, you only purchased a box with 30 cholesterol tablets at drugstore network. See that person replying, I bought more from another drugstore. It's not showing on your credit card statement. That person replying, I paid in cash. See automatic reply, but you did not withdraw that much cash according to your bank statement. I have other source of cash. See, it's not leaving him. This is not showing as per your last income tax filing. Then finally that person saying, what the hell? I'm sorry, sir. We use such information only with the intention of helping you. Enough. I am sick of Google, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. I am going to an island without internet, cable, TV. See, no cell phone line and no one to watch me or spy on me. I understand, sir, but you need to renew your passport first as it has expired 5 weeks ago. So this is the reality. See, if I want to tell about you, Just I know your Google knows, right, what time you are waking, what are the things you are seeing in your mobile. All your data is available on website, in internet. Am I right? So what are the things you are purchasing, what are the things, everything you have to create your account actually. So the what is the conclusion is the security, privacy. See, in this digital world, zero trust, zero security actually. Okay, so that is one of the important challenge. And AI bias, decision transparency, this and all we have seen actually, and employment actually. See, most of the robots going to taking our jobs actually. Now see, many of the houses, vessel cleaning and all, people are using robots. The maid job gone actually. Okay, so like that, many things is happening actually. So future prospects, 6G powered AI, so many things. If you take NITK, anyway, I wanted to conclude. So I took already maximum time of you. So NITK involving many projects, this AI based, automation based, especially vehicles related application. Recently we got 1.3 crore project under DOT Department of Telecommunication. And previously we finished, as we discussed, the 6G base station and all. And this is around 30 lakh budget project under SERB actually. Nowadays no SERB. So like that many works, drone based, AI based. So everything we funded, and even some of the works are patented. So like that many works we are doing actually, especially this IoT side also. Mm, especially underwater side and all. If you see this simple, with this we can wind up actually. Mm, you can see like oil pipes, gas pipes, and fiber optic cable. 99 percentage or at least 90 percentage laid in ocean. If any damage, monitoring purpose and all, we used to use sensor networks like this. See, some damage happen in that pipe. It absorbed by the nearby sensor. It pass it to the nearby sensors, and the nearby UAV. This not UAV, AUV, unmanned underwater vehicle. It receive the information. It go to the spot. See, it record the video and capturing the image. It pass it to the control station and it will be recovered. So in this aspect, in this towards this application, we done lot of works theoretically as well as experimentally. But anyway, this is not a right forum to discuss. But we done lot of works towards these IoT based steps, AI based steps. This see, we have watched, right, Google Car. So this work we published in 2018 itself. Smart car using Li-Fi. That means automated car actually. This work published in IEEE Transaction on Vehicular Technology. You see, 2018, almost like 8 years back. So like that, we done a lot of works towards this medical technology side, passion monitoring system and all. Okay, so with that we can conclude the zero touch technology ultimate laziness meets ultimate efficiency. It make us too lazy, but anyway, the technology we can't stop it actually. A world where AI does all the work, so we can focus on important things like choosing what, buying watch next, like that. The future is not just about automation, it's about making life so effortless we forget effort ever existed. Okay, so in that way it's going to happen. So with that we can wind up. So once again I would like to thank the entire organizing team to providing such a wonderful opportunity to be part of this excellent conference. And all the best for the paper presenters and the participants too. If you have any queries,
Thank you,
I'm
sir. Thank you for giving.
yeah, please. I am done. If you have any questions, I am very happy to answer. All the best. Any questions? Can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, you are audible now.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Uh, you are audible. I can hear you.
Yes, sir. You're audible now. Thank you, sir. Please answer the question, sir. Sir, now I would request our fellow student Afifa Hani to deliver vote of thanks for the session, sir.
Respected dignitaries, honorable chief guests, respected management, faculty members, and dear participants. First and foremost, I thank the Almighty for blessing us and enabling us to successful completion of this international conference. I extend my sincere gratitude to our correspondent, principal, and for their constant support, guidance, and encouragement in organizing this event. I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to the head of the Department of AIDS, CEC, and IT for their valuable support and coordination in making this conference possible. My special thanks to our chief guest for graciously accepting our invitation and for sharing such inspiring thought about zero touch technology with us today. I also thank all participants and delegates for being part of this conference and contributing its success. Thank you all.
Shall I end the session?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.